Now today let's start with chapter number 2 in managing window 11. So in this chapter we will study about window 11. Lets you change color wallpaper as a setting to make your experience little more personal. So in window 11 you can also change sort by view of a folder in file explorer to have all items in the folder sorted by name, date, modified size, type and more file details. You have all items in the folder which is arranged in ascending or descending order. It may be in the alphabetic form also. So File Explorer is GUI component of all version of Microsoft Windows. So it is a file manager application that enables user to navigate and manage data, price, folders and files. For accessing file system, it offers a graphical user interface that allows user to access file folder content. It is present multiple user interface on the screen like desktop taskbar. As it is the element of the OS operating system, you can open File Explorer on clicking on it or by pressing the key of Window plus E on your right. So like this, your File Explorer will open. Now, next opening a File Explorer, you will click on the File Explorer and from the text bar and the File Explorer window will appear with quick access, which provides quick access to commonly used folder. You can double click on any folder you want to open. Now, what is a file? File is the collection of linked information and data which is stored in a secondary storage device. There are different types of file as per data stored in them and these are identified by extension. So, some files can have data information in numeric form or some have it in a binary or alphanumeric form. Like we have JPG, PDF, GIF, PNG, doc, TXT. Now, let's study about properties of file. So we have name. The name of the file helps to differentiate it from one another. Files are assessed during their names and there are certain rules for naming files. Then we have extension. Let's specify the type of file, whether it is document, text, image, video, audio or any other type. Next is date and time. These are stored by a file at the time of this alteration or creation in addition of the data in the file. Now length, it is a total byte. Content के total byte कितने? Protection attributes, the file protection which is used to determine the type of file access that is given to the user, such as archive, read only or hidden. Now what is folder? It is used to accommodate group of files. यहाँ पे आपके group of files and folders हैं and the place under the same heading. Any number of folder can be created and each such folder can have numerous file and subfolder. They have many entries as per numbers of files created. If a file is deleted from a folder, the entry automatically gets detected from the folder also. Now, folders are important to keep. They help to organize numerous files into groups and make searching for a particular file easy. If we don't have any folder or computer system, all programs, जितने भी programs हैं, जितने भी documents हैं और आपकी files हैं, what happen, they are found in a single place. And a folder has to have multiple files in it. You can have more than one file. So what we can save the document folder in another file, which is assignment doc in another folder called assign. Now let's differentiate between file and folder. So a file is a collection of related data information, right? और फोल्डर क्या होता है? एक मैथड होता है जिससे आप फाइल को ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हो. फाइल कैन नॉट contain another file or folder, or folder can contain different files and folder. The file has an extension, a folder does not have extension. A file has certain size and memory consumption, but a folder does not consume space in the memory. Now creating a folder on a desktop. Now if you want to create a folder, so for that right click on the desktop, a menu will appear. Click on new, another menu will appear. Click on folder. Window 11 will create a new folder on your desktop. Using your keyboard, type name for a folder and press your enter. And your folder will be created. Now you want to add or remove folder on the start. So you will open setting, right? Then you will click on personalization. Then you will click on start and click on folder. And your folder will be shown like. Now turn on or off the items that appears to the next power button. After you complete the steps, the quick access button will appear next to the power button in the start. जब आप start menu पे जाएंगे वहीं पे आपको power button show. Now arranging desktop icon. Now if you want to arrange the desktop icon in Windows 11, so for that right click anywhere on the desktop. Click on view Select your option from the context menu. You can make icons look medium, large or extra large. You can also arrange icons in a grid or set them to auto arrange. Right? Now if you want to change the text, अब हमें text change करना है. So for that what you will do, you will right click. सबसे पहले आप अपने desktop पे कहीं भी right click करेंगे and click on display setting. From the content menu, this will take you to the system display setting. Under the scale और आप layout tab पे जैसे जाएंगे, it will increase the text from the size of your convenience. From here you can also make other adjustment in your display setting. Now configuring custom color adjustment. अब आपको color changes करने हैं. So for that same open setting, click on personalization, use accent color, select the manual option, select custom accent color, click on the view color button for the custom color setting and you can create a custom color. जैसे आपका हो जाएगा, you will click on done button and use the accent color setting and select automatic option to allow system to use a color based on the colors of the current text of background. After you complete the steps, system icons, links, buttons and many other elements will reflect the new automatic. Now changing Windows 11 system sound. So Windows 11 is the first Windows version, has different set of sound. Virtually every system action including using default setup sound, battery, functionality, connecting, disconnecting. It also has different set of sounds from its lights and dark mode. Now let's learn the changing system sound. अब आपको system के sound को change करना. Navigate to start menu, select setting. Click on system, select sound. Whatever sound, under advanced select more sound setting. You will select sound tab. आप sound tab को select करेंगे. Select the sound scheme you want to change. After selecting, select the program event and then you will click on save changes. And whatever changes you have made, it will be done over here. Right? This was all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.